Hey guys, what is up? What is up? So today is the day. Today's the day you guys have all been waiting for. We're about to shoot some paint. I have been sick all week, but Lee Smith's been down here killing himself, making sure all this body works right. And we think he's got it whooped. So he's ready to paint. So let's do a walk around real quick and check this stuff out. Alright, Lee. So I'm saying it looks pretty smooth to me.
It feels like it is. We got all the remasked and everything wiped down.
Yeah. Okay, so guys, here's the game plan. Oh, I want to show you this first. Hang on a second. So the other day before I started dying, we put on this undercoat on these fenders. It was truck bed liner.
Bed liner.
Yeah, that's what we decided to use on it. Just roll on bed liner, and I tell you, it feels pretty good, and hopefully, yeah, I think it'll look great with that black underneath, and then I think it'll help save the fenders. You know what I mean? Because everybody talks about these fenders already. You know, they're fiberglass fenders, and a lot of people had said how it's so easy to bust them and things.
You get little stars in it.
Yeah, little pings, and so we did that, hoping that may save them for a while. We can do a lot of traveling without a bunch of nitpicks in it. But, so, here's the game plan, guys. Here's the hood. Alright. The hood underneath and the firewall are going to be black. They're going to stay black. And that's how they're going to be. Just like the underneath of the fenders. Gives it so it'll kind of pop off that raspberry, right?
Right.
And then the rest of the truck, of course, is going to got that gorgeous color of candy pearl black raspberry. So, what's your game plan, Lee?
Gotta get it all tack cloth off.
Yeah.
Get our paint mix, go spray.
So we're going to do all the black first.
Oh, you gotta do it, yeah.
Because okay, guys. So
base coat.
yeah, this paint. I didn't do a video of him spraying that little test piece, but this paint is black undercoated, right?
You got your base coat is black.
Mm-hmm. It's jet
coat,
black.
Your mid coat is your raspberry.
Yeah.
Then you got a clear.
Right. So there's 3 stages to this, and it's gonna be awesome. I can't wait. I'm so excited. We've been waiting on this day. You guys have been waiting on this day forever. For what? It's been 2 months, and you guys have been riding with us, waiting for us to throw some paint. And guys, we're about to throw some paint. This may end up being a 2-part video. I'm gonna set this camera up, and we're gonna go to work on it. And stick with us, guys, because you're about to see something fabulous. So what we're doing here, what he's done here, I'm just watching. Because I'm not allowed nowhere near paint or gun. I'm going to be the hose holder, which sounds terrible, but that's going to be my duties for the day. Lee Smith, what are you doing while you're putting it in a 5-gallon bucket?
So I can mix it all up.
Because mix it all at one time, then you know it's all the same.
Consistency.
Gosh, oh Lee, this has been a long time coming. My goodness. Your silence is deafening.
I'm busy, I'm working.
We've got everything ready. We've got the place tarped off. We've got our own little paint booth made up there. Lee's got his redneck, somebody said that in the comments. I love the comments. The redneck paint booth with the styrofoam in the fan.
Somebody say that?
Yeah.
I might be a redneck.
You might be a redneck if. I think that we should call NASA or somebody, because that's a fantastic exhaust system. You can sell those everywhere. Here goes nothing, guys.
I'll get it in a minute. We'll put it together.
A lot of fucking meat. A lot of fucking meat on these phones. I'm tired watching you. That's code number one.
That damn fan still pouring out there again, though.
I know, it ain't bad in here at all. Coat number one complete for the cab and the fenders. And we'll get to that in a minute. Y'all, I've come to find that holding the hose is a lot like holding a flashlight for your dad or your Uncle Joe when they're working on something. It involves a lot of cussing and yelling, but if you know, you know. If you know, you know. Alright, y'all, let's get this hood done.
We got tape off there.
Phew. All right, y'all. So, there you have it. My goodness, we've got 2 coats of base coat. Dirty Deeds is now black as night. Oh, man. Looking beautiful. Looking absolutely fabulous. So, what we're going to do is, we got to, we're going to turn the heat up in here. Let this bad boy sit for about 8 or 10 hours. Then we're going to come in here with that candy pearl black raspberry and do the absolute most. I cannot wait. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Just having this base coat of black on there makes me so excited. But, all right, guys, that's it for tonight. But I'll come back. This is part 1. Come back for part 2 to see the rest of this. Guys, don't forget, like, subscribe, and comment, because we finally get paid on this thing, and you guys want to be with us for the rest of this truck build.